I found this secret loophole no one is talking about, where you can cash out over $100 to $300 without any skill or experience. A lot of people quietly using this to make money underground. If you are totally new to my channel and looking for a way to earn money, this is it. It is 100% free and works in all countries of the world. Just stay tuned and watch to the end to understand how it works. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to receive other money making opportunities. Don't worry, you don't have to be a writer or a blogger before you can earn on this site. Just watch to the end because I will teach you and show you a method of writing just by copying and pasting. Let's get started. Wow, this is vibrantlife.com. You can see it here. This is the site, Vibrant Life. This is how it is. All this article you are seeing here, people are paid for it. Only this person must have made hundreds of dollars just writing 100 ways to improve your Christmas, graphic reviews, wonder boredom. Everybody just writing general. Is all about general interest. 5 ways to increase your energy. See it here. 5 ways to increase your energy. Somebody get paid for this. You should know that. Be aware that somebody get paid for this. See, 7 food that feed your brain, 10 natural ways to relieve pain, 10 ways to boost your immune system. So this is the site where you will come to make money. You will make $100 to $300 depending on how your post is. So if you want to advertise, some people are here, they come here to advertise, like this dog. Maybe people who are selling dog food, all of that, and the one that come to advertise. So you start wondering, how do they get to pay you? They pay you through the advertise, through people that come to advertise. Some people come to sell cream, hair, diet food, how to slim down, slimming teas and herbal teas, like that. So this is how they get to pay you. So you write articles. So if you want to be a subscriber, that is, if you want to come around to read, that is, if you want to read, that is it. This is it here. You come to read, so you can subscribe to get the magazine. So this is it. So let's say you want to write. You just come to this place, just click on Vibrant Life here. So you click on it. Let me click on it quickly. Just click on it like this. I've clicked on it. See, that's opened. So you make sure you read it so that you can really understand what it's talking about, so that you won't violate it. So I don't want you to waste your time writing articles, and at the end of the day you won't follow the rules and regulations. You know, Oyibo people love rules and regulations. So this is what they need from you. So all you need to do is to start reading. Just read it. Just read through. Let me quickly give you some breakdown of it. This place says manuscript. This manuscript, please read it. Articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject to the end. Short articles. So your article should be between 450 to 650 words. Okay, please just stay on the topic. Don't wander off. So read it. Please read through. So for your payment, look at your payment here. See your payment here. You'll be paid $100 to $300. Wow, that is great. So make sure you read through, follow everything they want you to do. So I told you earlier that you don't need to worry about anything. I'm going to show you a site where you are going to go over to just do copy and paste. You can do copy and paste, not necessarily copy and pasting directly like that, but this is where your wisdom and intelligence will kick in now. Just tweak some words like that and make out something for you to be able to submit for them. So you don't necessarily need to be a writer. So let's quickly go over to a site called Quora. I'm sure most of you must have heard that word, Quora. This is Quora. Click on it. Just loading. This is Quora. See it here. I'm sure you've seen something like this before. So it's a space where you come for answers or questions. You can ask stupid questions here and they will still respond. I'm going to make a video. Please subscribe so that you can see how to make money on this Quora by asking stupid questions and answering stupid questions. So please log on to this channel. Just make sure you just subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because I'm going to make a video on this Quora. People make money by answering questions. People make money by asking questions too. So let's say you are here and we want to write is general life interest. Let's effective weight loss tips. It has opened. Just see it here. Effective weight loss tips. Effective weight loss tips. Just check it. See this person. See we have different question and answer responses. See it. Just scroll up and down. See what are the weight loss tips. So let's click on this. So just come here. You just copy. You can put like maybe 5 weight loss tips. You just come down. You just pick it. You quickly copy. Just copy. Come over to, you can use your Google Doc or WPS Office. Just click. Just paste it here. Paste it. You can see it. Just paste. Make sure you just tweak it. Make sure you just tweak it. Don't copy directly like this. Just copy, then you work on it. You can write 5, let's say 5 weight loss tips like that. Come back to your Quora. You come, maybe you just go over to number 5. You just copy it again, then you put it as number 1, you just put number 2 in number 5, number 1 in number 6. Just tweak it. Please don't copy directly, if not it will be rejected. Just use your description, change some word, change it here. Don't even just copy directly. Just cut it up. Just read again, cut it down. Go through some people's let me say, you can just go through some people's work. This person has like almost see 2,000 followers with a lot of answers. See, this is their own write-up. See, 5 simple tips to lose weight. You can come down again, just cut from that one, come here again. You can see, just copy this one as your number 2 again. You can just join it together and make something out of it. That is how to go about it. So you just submit your write-up to vibrantlife.com and make your money. Please, if you find value in this video, please, I want you to comment down below, subscribe and let me know what you think about this video. Please like, share and comment. Okay, when you comment, you make me, or probably you encourage me to do more videos. So this is how to make money. I've made money on this too, so go out there and make money. Bye. See you in the next video.